Hello and namaste. Welcome back to Fabulous Body. I'm Akash, your holistic nutrition coach. Today's video is super special because I'm sharing my top favorite 5 healthy foods that have literally transformed my health and well-being. First, oats. I love oats. It's my go-to breakfast for decades. I always consume it with a bunch of other superfoods like different types of seeds, nuts, and raw honey. Please do note there are many types of oats in the market, ranging from ultra-processed instant oats to the most nutrient-dense oats, which are called groats. Oats groats. My choice is steel cut oats. They take roughly 20 minutes to prepare and are better than rolled oats. Steel cut oats are groats cut into several pieces with a steel blade. Oats are a good source of beta glucans, which is a type of soluble fiber. Many studies have concluded that diets rich in beta glucan reduces LDL cholesterol. Other health benefits of oats include and are not limited to lowered risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Oats are gluten-free, which makes them a viable choice for gluten-intolerant people. Second, if you have been following my work for some time, you would be aware that I consume this food a lot. My favorite, dal, lentils, all types. One thing that I've noticed in Indian meals is that people often eat more rice or chapatis than dal or vegetables. Here's a pro tip. Start your meal with dal and veggies first, and then once you have eaten some quantity of dal and sabzi, only then move on or start eating your rice or chapati. This way you'll balance your macros and make sure you're getting enough of the dietary fiber and nutrients your body needs. Okay, most people don't get enough fiber, only 12 to 15 grams a day, when women needs at least 25 grams, men need at least 40 grams. Ideally, you should aim for 50 grams or more. Okay, more the better. Of course, you need to increase it gradually to this level. Dals and beans are fiber rich and can help you hit that goal. They are even more fiber dense than fruits and vegetables. Fiber is crucial for keeping your digestive system clean and functioning properly. So do not underestimate it. Just eating protein won't cut it. Green vegetables. Green is the color of nature. Green is heart food. Want to keep your heart strong and healthy? Eat green every day. Spinach, broccoli, kale, collard green, ladyfinger, peas. In fact, vegetables in general are the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Make sure to eat at least 500 grams to 1 kg of both raw and cooked vegetables every single day. Eat your veggies. I know it may take ages to chew them. If you have any issues with them, you can juice them. Fourth, fermented foods. You can't go wrong with probiotics. Fermented foods are rich in beneficial bacteria that support your gut health, which in turn affects your immune system, mood, and overall well-being. My personal favorite is homemade yogurt, which is a great source of probiotics, calcium, and protein. Sometimes I consume buttermilk as well. In addition, various types of chutneys, pickles are also a mainstay in my Indian thali. You can watch my 100-day Gutman shorts and you'll know I practice what I preach. If you are new to fermented foods, start with small amount and gradually increase. Your gut will thank you. Last but not the least, my favorite, chai. Are you surprised with this option? Hear me out. I consider myself a health freak and there are many like me who take their health seriously. However, I have not met anyone who eats clean 100% of the time, 365 days a year. We all have our favorite snacks and food that we crave. And when you consume these foods in limited quantities, you are taking care of your cravings. When you do that, it allows you to keep eating healthy and stick with your diet. It increases the enjoyability quotient of your diet. For me, my go-to indulgent food is a nice ginger chai. It's somewhat acidic in nature and may cause issues if consumed in excess, like all our favorite foods do, but chai helps me stay on track. It allows me to be consistent with my otherwise super healthy diet. And this is the reason I have more energy at 41 years than when I was 21. So it's okay to have your favorite foods that will in turn help you stay on track with healthy eating. So in summation, a plant-forward diet, not a plant-based diet, a plant-forward diet with at least 80% of calories from plant-based foods such as whole grains like oats, millets, legumes like dals and beans, vegetables, and 1 or 2 units of fruits, and of course fermented foods. You just can't go wrong with this diet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Tell me what healthy foods you swear by. Stay healthy, stay fabulous.